In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook account to a Facebook page. For some reason, after creating your Facebook account, you wish to convert it to a Facebook page, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to change your Facebook account to a Facebook page. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. Before I convert my Facebook account to a Facebook page, let me take you to my profile to see something. So on the top right corner, proceed to click on your profile icon. Then you need to proceed to click on this menu. When you scroll down a bit under posts, you see I have a list of friends which is 4,680 friends. So when I convert my account to the Facebook page, all these friends will now become followers. So I want you to take note of this. So let's navigate back to the home page. On the home page, beneath the home feed icon, you will see your profile icon. Proceed to click on it. Then on this interface, beside edit profile, you see these three ellipses. Proceed to click on it. Among the list of menus here, you see turn on professional mode. Then we have to click on this. So after converting your Facebook account to a Facebook page, you get paid for your content. You will have a lot of insights in your posts, and you also convert your account so many people can be able to follow you. So in order to convert it, we just have to proceed to turn on this. After that, you have successfully converted your Facebook account to a Facebook page. So you can proceed to do any further editing that you want. So let me navigate back to my profile icon for you to see something. So in a bit, you see my friends have now turned to followers. So currently I'm having 4.7k followers, and I'm also following 2k. So when you scroll down a bit, you see that my Facebook account has now turned to Facebook page. I'll be able to have insight on my daily posts and perhaps even getting paid when these posts are monetized. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If this is your first time to this channel, consider subscribing to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.